In this video, we're going to look at how to do line stakeout using the Hi-Target HTS-820. Let's get started. We'll go under Survey and then select Line Stakeout. We will select on Line Library. We'll select on Add, then we'll select the line type that we want to add. I'll select on Line. The method of the line we will use is 2 points. We'll key in the name of our line. We will use L1 as our line name. We'll select the start point. Then select the end point. The start station will be 0 at BM1. We'll then proceed to select OK. Our line has been defined. To start staking out our line, we can select on the line, then select OK. We are now at the start of our line. Let us now set chainage increments along our line. We'll select on the chainage set icon. We'll set the step, which is the chainage increment. We will set this to 2 meters. Our current milestone, or where we want to be, is still chainage 0. We'll select OK. Let's now go 2 meters further along this line. To do this, we'll just select the next arrow. Let's proceed to stake out 2 meters along the line. We'll check the indication. It says we need to move backwards 0.68. Make adjustments. We have now successfully staked out 2 meters further along the line. Let's now go another 2 meters further. Select the next arrow and we can go 2 meters further again. We'll check the indication on the screen. We need to go backwards 0.17, forward 0.1, to the left again, we have now successfully staked out at 4 meters from the start of the line. This is how you go about staking out a line. Once you have staked out a specific chainage you want, you can then just increment to the next one.